Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the iBall Rocky Multimedia Headphones with microphone. On the front of the box, we have an image of the headphones itself right in the middle, iBall branding on the top and the name of the product on the bottom. The left hand side of the package simply has another image of the device, but this time in profile. The right hand side has another image, and this is a close-up of the ear cups and the microphone. The top is pretty much the same as the front. There is nothing on the bottom. On the back of the box, we have some technical specifications right here, which include a maximum power of 100 MW, driver unit size of 4 centimeters, frequency range is 20 Hz to 20 kHz, impedance is 32 ohms, the microphone size is 0.9 by 0.7 centimeters, sensitivity of the microphone is 110 decibels and the cord length is 2.3 meters. Below the specifications, we have a few of the use cases in which this device can be used, like internet voice chat, multiplayer internet gaming, language and other training purposes, and speech recognition and dictation. Over here, we have a couple of images that show off some of the salient features, which include soft leatherite ear cups and an adjustable headband. Underneath that, we have a sticker that has some importing and manufacturing information, and on the bottom of the sticker, we have the customer care details. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the headset itself, and as we can see, it has a primarily matte black color theme going for it, with some silver highlights on each ear cup. While on the subject of the ear cup, it has quite soft ear pads, leatherite finishing as we mentioned on the box, and coming up we have the headband, which is also cushioned on the underside and on top as well. The headband is also decently flexible, so it should be quite comfortable. It is also extendable, so we can fit a plethora of head sizes for quite a lot of compatibility. On the left hand ear cup, we have the microphone, and it has approximately 120 degrees of rotation. The microphone itself is also quite adjustable and can be molded into a comfortable shape. On the end of the microphone, we have this wind protector, like sponge like surface that basically keeps out the sharp ambient sounds. Coming down, we have the cable. We already know that it is approximately 2.3 meters long, and we have this inline control module with a volume control wheel on it. So there is also some indication about which direction the wheel needs to be turned in to increase or decrease the volume. On the end of the cable, we have two 3.5 mm audio jacks. One of them is for the headphones and one of them is for the microphone. Both jacks are of the TRS kind. To get started with using these headphones, all we need is a compatible device. In this case, we will be using an Android smartphone. While using it with a smartphone, we need to make sure that we plug in the headphone marked 3.5 mm jack and not the microphone marked one. Another thing to note while using it with a smartphone is that if you get a call, you will not be able to answer it since the microphone is not connected. You can still use these headphones with the smartphone to listen to your favorite tunes. If you connect it to a PC with two inputs for the microphone and headphone, you will be able to use all the features of these headphones. So this was the unboxing of the iBall Rocky Multimedia Headphones with microphone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.